Hi, I am Dr. Shikhar Kanti. In this video, we find the sum of the series by using exponential series. This is an example. Sum the series 1 plus 3 by 2 factorial plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 square by 3 factorial plus and so on. See, this is the first term, second term, third term. Third term consisting of 1 plus 3 plus 3 square by 3 factorial. And then what is the fourth term? It should be 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus 3 cube by 4 factorial. So the nth term will be, this is the first term, second term, third term. Nth term will be denominator n factorial and numerator is 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus 3 cube up to 3 to the power of n minus 1, because 3 factorial is there, the last term power is 2, right? Therefore, if n factorial is there in the denominator and this power should be n minus 1. So, therefore, we write this as the summation 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus up to 3 to the power of n minus 1 divided by n factorial. And I will write this with, start with 1. If I put n equal to 1, then 1 minus 1 0, that means the first term is the last term. 1 by 1 factorial. So, yes, 1 I am getting. If I put n is equal to 2, then n equal to means I am getting 2 terms here. That n equal to 2 means 3 to the power of 2 minus 1. 3 raised to 1 is 3. Last term is 3, first term is 1. That is only 2 terms I am getting. 1 plus 3 divided by 2 factorial. Yes, I am getting. If I put n equal to 3, denominator 3 factorial, then I am getting 1 plus 3 plus 3 square. Yes, I am getting these the terms. And my summation is from 1 to infinity. Okay. Now the numerator, this is the how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3 up to n minus 1 plus 1 is there. Totally n terms are there. Then sum to n terms of a geometric series. As this is the geometric series, then sum to n terms of a geometric series is given by a into 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r. Here a, the first term equal to 1. Therefore, sum is 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r. So, here r, the common ratio is 3 here. Okay. So, 1 minus 3 to the power of n divided by 1 minus 3, the n factorial as it is. And here start with 1 to infinity. This is our 1 by 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 1 by 2 into n factorial plus here, because minus becomes plus 3 raised to n by 2n, 2 into n factorial, 3 raised to n by n factorial. I will write this to outside. Now this is equal to minus 1 by 2, and start with 1 here, 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial. So this is the bracket plus 1 by 2 into, and start with 1. That is first term is 3 by 1 factorial, that is equal to 3 plus 3 square by 2 factorial. Next term 3 cube by 3 factorial plus and so on. So these are the terms of the exponential series, but I think first term is missing here. See here, we know that e equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial and so on. So one term is missing, that is the first term is missing. So therefore I will add that term 1 plus the remaining terms. Next I have added this one here. So finally I will subtract here. Okay, add 1, subtract 1. Here also the first term is missing. 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus and so on. So that is first term 1 is missing. Therefore I am adding 1 here and I am subtracting 1 here. Then what this becomes is minus 1 by 2 into, this term is nothing but e minus 1. That is minus 1 by 2 into bracket e minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. This is 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial means e to the power of x. That is e cube. This becomes e cube minus 1. So minus 1 by 2 into e minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into e cube minus 1. This is minus e by 2, minus into minus plus 1 by 2 plus e cube by 2 minus 1 by 2. So plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 gets cancelled. So the sum is minus e by 2 plus e cube divided by 2. Next example. Sum the series 1 plus 2 square by 1 factorial plus 3 square by 2 factorial plus 4 square by 3 factorial plus and so on. See the terms here 1, 2, 3. If I write in the denominator n factorial, numerator I have to write this as 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, n plus 1. So n plus 1 power is same. N plus 1 square divided by n factorial. And I have to start with n equal to 0 here. See, if I put n equal to 0, numerator is 1 by 0 factorial is 1 plus. Next, n equal to 1. N equal to 1 means I am getting here 2 square by 1 factorial. N equal to 2. 3 square by 2 factorial. Yes, I am getting these terms. So, therefore, S is equal to summation 0 to infinity n plus 1 whole square divided by n factorial. And this n plus 1 square can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is n square plus 2n plus 1 divided by n factorial. Now, I want to write this as some constant into n minus 1 into n minus 2 in that form. At the degree of this is equal to 2. Okay. N square plus 2n plus 1 is there. Then I will write this as a into, let me write this as a into n minus 1 plus b into n plus c. Because power is 2, therefore I will take up to n into n minus 1. If the power is 3, then you have to take a into n minus 1 into n minus 2. So power is 2. So this is sufficient. Now we have to find the values of a, b, c. Right hand side multiplication in here a n square minus a n plus b n plus c. Okay. Minus a n plus b n common factor b minus a into n plus this c as it is. Now comparing the coefficients of the like powers of n on the right hand side, what is the coefficient of n square? It is equal to a. What is the coefficient of n square on the left hand side? It is equal to 1. So I am getting a equal to 1. And next, a coefficient of n is b minus a. Here coefficient of n is 2. That means b minus a equal to 2. b minus a equal to 2. Already we got the value of a equal to 1 here. b minus 1 equal to 2 means b equal to 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. And c, this is the term independent of n. Right hand side it is equal to c. Left hand side it is equal to 1. So c value equal to 1. A equal to 1, b equal to 3, c equal to 1. Now we can write this as, that is sum s is equal to a into n minus 1. Okay, a equal to 1 plus b into, b is 3 into n plus c equal to 1 divided by n factorial. Now we'll take the separate denominators. This can be written as n into n minus 1 by n factorial plus 3n by n factorial plus 1 by n factorial. And in the first term I will write this n factorial as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. Then what happens? N into n minus 1, n into n minus 1 gets cancelled plus. In the second term, I will write n factorial as n into n minus 1 factorial. N gets cancelled, n minus 1 factorial remains. Plus this, I will keep this as it is. Okay. Now, if I put n equal to g, this starts with n is equal to 2. If I start with n is equal to 2 summation here, I will get 1 by 0 factorial is 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial is 1. That is 1 plus 1 plus n equal to 4. Okay, n equal to 4. 4 minus 2 is 2 factorial. N equal to 5, 3 factorial. N equal to 6, 7 factorial. Like this. That means here first term is 1 plus second term is 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial, 1 by 3 factorial, 1 by 4 factorial and so on. So therefore this value is equal to e. Similarly, this starts with 1. Then this again this value is equal to e. 3 times e plus. And this starts with 0 itself. this value is also equal to E. So that is E plus 3 into E plus 1E. So totally its value is equal to 5E is the sum. Next example, sum the series n cube minus n plus 1 divided by n factorial. So that is the term is given, and given that n from 0 to infinity is also given. What I do here is I will write this numerator n cube minus n plus 1 as a into n minus 1 n minus 2 plus b into n minus 1 plus c into n plus d. Okay, writing numerator in this form. And the right hand side is a into, this is nothing but n square minus 3n plus 2 plus, this is bn square, next minus bn plus cn plus d. Again taking this inside here, I am getting an cube minus 3an square plus 2an plus bn square minus bn plus cn plus d. Writing the terms in ascending powers of descending powers of n or ascending powers, any we can write anything here. This is equal to an cube minus 3an square plus 2an plus bn square. Okay, first I will write the n cube term, an cube plus n square term, this is one n square term, this is another n square term, that is minus 3a plus b into n square plus n term is 2a minus b plus c. Okay, plus term independent of, this is the d. Now comparing the coefficients of like powers of n cube coefficient on the right hand side is a, n cube coefficient on the left hand side is 1. So I am getting a equal to 1. And then see the term independent of n on the right hand side is d, term independent of the n on the left hand side is 1. So d equal to 1. Comparing the n square coefficient is minus 3a plus b on the right hand side. There is no n square term, its coefficient is 0. That is minus 3a plus b equal to 0. Coefficient of n on the right hand side is 2a minus b plus c. On the left hand side it is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now we have got the value of a and d. We have a and d values here. Then substituting here I will get the value of b. Put the value of a equal to 1. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus b equal to 0 or b equal to 3. Okay, I am getting b equal to 3. Next we find the value of c. To get the value of c, I have to use this equation. 2a, 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1, this on the right hand side plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1, 0. That is c equal to 0. So I am getting c equal to 0. So a equal to 1 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 plus b is 3 into n minus 1 plus c equal to, c is equal to 0. C equal to 0 plus d is equal to 1. Yes. Now we will take the separate denominators. This by n factorial, this by n factorial, this by n factorial. And writing that n factorial in the first term as, here I am writing n factorial as n into n minus 1, n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial. So in the first term, n minus 1, n minus 2 gets cancelled. I am getting 1 by n minus 3 factorial. And here for this term I am writing n factorial as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. So n minus 1 gets cancelled. What I am getting is 3 divided by n minus 2 factorial plus this I will keep as it is, 1 by n factorial. Here this is nothing but so here the summation starts with n equal to 3. Then this is nothing but 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial, 1 by 3 factorial. This is nothing but the value of e plus 3 times Here the summation starts with 2. Again, this is nothing but the value of e plus. Here summation starts with 0. Again, this is nothing but the value of e. 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial 1 by 4 factorial. That is, this is our e plus 3 into this is our e plus this is also e. E plus 3e plus e. This is equal to 5e. Okay. Next example. Sum the series 1 plus 1 square plus 2 square by 2 factorial plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square by 3 factorial plus and so on. Now we write this in the summation form. Denominator some factorial is there. If I write n factorial, then in the numerator I have to write 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. Okay, up to n square I have to write. So that is here. I will write the nth term 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square n square divided by n factorial. N starts with 1 to infinity. Let us check whether I am getting the same terms or not. If I put n equal to 1 here, I am getting 1 by 1 factorial, that is equal to 1. If I take n equal to 2, next term, n equal to 2 means this is a 2 factorial and I am getting n equal to 2 means that is 1 square plus 2 square. If I take n equal to 3, then I am getting 3 factorial 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Yes, I am getting the terms. So this is the SC is equal to this summation. Now we have the value of this 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to n square is nothing but this is the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. Okay. Plus, I have to write plus here. Okay. Sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers is given by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. And this n factorial as it is. Now I will write this numerator, that is n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 is equal to, here again the power becomes 3. I will write this as an into n minus 1 into n minus 2 plus bn into n minus 1 plus cn plus d. Here you can multiply the left hand side and right hand side also you can multiply, and comparing the powers of the coefficients of the like powers of n. Or you can find like this also. Put n equal to 0, we get some value. N equal to 1, we get some value. N equal to 2, we get some value. And putting some other value other than these 0, 1, 2, we have to put some other value. Then we get all these A, B, C, D. So if I put n equal to 0 implies this whole term equal to 0, D equal to 0. And if I put n equal to 1, this quantity becomes 0, this quantity becomes 0. Okay. So we are getting n equal to 1, and here we get 1 plus 1, this is 2, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, this is 3, this is 2, 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. So 6, and this becomes 0, this becomes 0, and already we have this is equal to 0. C into 1. Okay, n equal to 1 means this is C into 1 is C equal to 6 I am getting. Similarly, if you put n is equal to 2 here, you will be getting B is equal to 9. So we have now we have A values to be calculated. I have got the values of B, C, D. Then to find the value of A, put some other value to n. You can put 3, 4, 5, 6. Other than these 3, 0, 1, 2. You can put minus 1, minus 2. Any value you can put. What I am doing is I am putting n is equal to 3 here, and I am getting some equation. Okay. Already we have the values of B, C, D. Substituting the values of B, C, D. Finally simplifying, I am getting 6a equal to 12 or a is equal to 2. So a equal to 2, B equal to 9. C equal to 6, D equal to 0. Then we write this summation as 2n into 2n minus 2n into A equal to 2, that is A into n minus 1, n minus 2 plus B is 9. 9 into n minus 1 plus C is equal to 6. 6 into n divided by n factorial. And this term can be written as 2 by n minus 3 factorial plus this term can be written as 9 by n minus 2 factorial plus this term can be written as 6 by n minus 1 factorial. And this is 1 by 6 as it is. Okay, this is our 1 by 6. This 6 I am writing outside. Okay, 1 by 6 as it is. This is nothing but 2e. This is our 9e. This is our 6e. 2e plus 9e plus 6e. 9 plus 6, 15 plus 2, 17. 17e divided by 6 is the summation, sum. Next example. Sum the series 1 cube minus 2 cube by 1 factorial plus 3 cube by 2 factorial minus 4 cube by 3 factorial plus and so on. Okay. So here let me write S is equal to 1 cube minus 2 cube by 1 factorial plus 3 cube by 2 factorial minus 4 cube by 3 factorial. This is an alternating series. This can be written as summation. For this alternating series I have to give like this, minus 1 to the power of n into n plus 1 cube divided by n factorial. I am taking n from 0 to infinity. If I put n equal to 0, first term is positive. 1 cube is 1 by 0 factorial. 1 by 1 is 1. That is 1 cube. And next, if I put n equal to 1, I am getting this value is negative. 1 plus 1 is 2 cube divided by 1 factorial. Yes, I am getting the terms. So that is the given series can be written like this. This is equal to minus 1 to the power of n. Expanding this, a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b, 3a square into b plus 3ab square. Okay. Again, in the similar way, I will write this n cube plus 3n square plus 3n plus 1 as a into n minus 1 n minus 2 plus b into n minus 1 plus c into n plus d. Then here you can multiply and comparing the coefficients of like powers of n, or we can give n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2. Then we get the 3 values easily. Then finding the fourth value, we have to take n is equal to some other value other than these 3 values we have to put. Then we get the value of the fourth one also. So I am getting D equal to 1, C equal to 7, B equal to 6 and A equal to 1. Then writing this here, A equal to 1 into n minus 1, n minus 2 plus B is 6 I got here, 6 into n minus 1 plus C equal to 7, 7 into n plus D is equal to 1, 1 by n, 1 whole divided by n factorial. And this becomes 1 by n minus 3 factorial plus this becomes 6 by n minus 2 factorial plus this becomes 7 by n minus 1 factorial plus this becomes 1 by n factorial. And minus 1 to the power of n into 1 by n minus 3 factorial plus 6 by n minus 2 factorial plus 7 by n minus 1 factorial plus 1 by n factorial. And we write this as this term becomes minus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial. First term I am writing separately here. N equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Start with 3 means minus 1 minus 0 factorial and then 1 by 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial with alternating signs. Plus here also 6. This also 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial and so on. So here in we are getting n start with 2 here, means first term is positive. Next here the n start with 1, therefore first term will be negative. 7 as it is, minus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial minus 1 by 2 factorial and so on. Plus the last term start with 0 itself. 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial and so on. More or less terms are same in each bracket. So I will write this as this. I am writing, taking minus sign common factor, I will write the okay, this gets cancelled. 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial, taking minus sign common factor here. 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial, okay, and plus 1 by 4 factorial and so on, plus 6 into here, this is our, okay, again this 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. In each bracket this term gets cancelled. See, minus 1 plus 1, here also we have minus 1 plus 1. 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial. And next term here this one, again I will take this minus sign outside, 7 into 1 minus 1, this becomes 0, this becomes plus 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial and so on. And the last term is equal to, again these two terms gets cancelled. We are getting 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial and so on. This is equal to, here we have 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial plus 1 by 4 factorial and so on. These are nothing but 1 by e values. We have 1 by e is equal to this, right? So therefore this is equal to minus, this is 1 by e plus 6 into this is 1 by e minus 7 into 1 by e plus this is our 1 by e. So that is equal to, taking e LCM here, or 1 by e into minus 1 plus 6 is okay, 6 plus 1 7 minus 7 0, 1 remains here, that is minus 1 by e is the value. Okay, okay, thank you.